Hi, lovelies. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Immaculate Show is here to present for you things that are going to make you hate poverty, run away from it, and use your phones. Join me as I take you on a challenge to earn 1,000 on Cloud Worker in just 1 month. I know someone out there, when you hear like this, the ones who are still in the other stage of those days, they are saying, is it true, really, Christian? Yes, it's true. Can I really make easy money in 2024? Yes, you can. If you are like me, you are probably tired of hearing about all the get rich quick scheme online. I know that's why some people don't really click when I tell them you can earn this money online. So because of those schemes that spoiled your beginning their past, and you are now wondering, is it possible to make a decent income without getting scammed or wasting your time, and at the end of the day, nothing at all? Well, today I'm excited to share with you in details this platform. I brought it in a video of 5 videos of 5 different platforms, but today I'm bringing it on this platform. I want you to get excited. Really, I'm excited that I'm going to share with you about this platform, and this platform is called Crowdworker. Crowdworker is a platform that connects you with companies and businesses that helps you to do some various tasks, and in return, you get paid. It's a win-win situation, you guys. When I was looking on it, when I was studying it and getting testimonies, I saw it is a win win for both parties. And I'm now going to show you how you can take advantage of it to earn 1,000 or more in 2024, this and even beyond. But this is the right period for you to jump on it, because it is this season. A lot of people want your service. When it comes to making money online, one of the biggest challenges people face is not knowing where to start from. There are so many options out there, but the difficult part of it is how to distinguish between the legitimate one and even the scam. How to know this one is the right one and not the wrong one. And even when you do find a legitimate platform, it can be overwhelming with all different options and opportunities. That's why crowd worker stands out. Is such an attractive solution. I can call it is a really lazy way of making money. I'm telling you the truth. It's a platform that's easy to use, you guys. It's got a huge potential for earnings. Another challenge people face is finding platform that not circulated with competition. You know, those platforms where everyone and their grandma are trying to make a quick buck. When I talk about the grandma, everybody's there because everybody knows it. And that's not the case with Crowdworker. It's still a relatively new platform that other than those platforms. This one is relatively really new, which means that there are still a lot of opportunity to get in, and you capitalize on this. But even with all the potential a crowd worker may have, many people still struggle to turn their profit, to turn this into profit. Can you imagine that? They might not know how to find the high paying tasks, or they might not know how to manage their time effectively or efficiently. And that's what I'm going to help you with today. I'm going to show you how exactly you get started on Crowdworker, how to find the high paying tasks, and how to maximize your earnings. Finally, I think the biggest challenge people face is being motivated and staying motivated. You guys, me, motivation is my second name. I motivate myself, and I'm very ready here to motivate you. You have to make this money. We are talking about $1,000 monthly. You know, it's easy to get started, but it's hard to keep going when you are not seeing the results you want. This is what has been happening on various platforms. When people don't see the results in the first month, and that they just give up. And this is this is the one of the biggest challenges. That's why I'm excited to share with you some insider tips, the ones I know they can work for you, and even the strategies that will help you stay motivated and focused on your goal of earning the $1,000 and more. Not only 1,000, here it will depend on you, but the least for you it should be 1,000. Guys, Crowdworker pays. Let's get started with creating an account on Crowdworker. The process is super simple, as you can see on our screen, and it only takes a few minutes. Once you have created your account, you have access to a range of tasks that you can compete with and money. I really feel proud and feel excited to bring for you this in details. There are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, you want to focus on tasks that are high paying. Yes, of course, you'll find that some tasks are not high paying, but you also want to focus on tasks that you're good at and that you enjoy. You guys, it is very important for you to do something that you're good at and you enjoy. When you enjoy something, it will not be difficult. This will make the work a lot more enjoyable and you'll be more likely to stick with it. One of the keys to maximize your earnings on cloud work is to manage your time efficiently. You want to focus on tasks that take the least amount of time and pay the most high amount of money. This is what I really enjoy. And you want to work in bunches so that you can complete as many tasks as you are in the shortest amount of time. Guys, are you still with me? This will help you earn more money in less time when you complete tasks in batches. And it will also help you stay motivated. Really, and I'm really assuring you that you're going to be motivated provided you remain on a market short space. Another key to maximize your earnings on this space, on these streets of cloud work platform, is to focus on high paying tasks. These tasks might be difficult, yes, more difficult than the other ones, but they pay a lot more than the other easier tasks. And if you can complete them in time and efficiently, you can earn more money a lot than others. Guys, I'm really excited to bring you that one of the inside tips I want to share with you is to focus on the task that is on high demand. These tasks are usually more urgent and they pay a lot of money than the tasks which are not urgent, the task that they give them some time. And if you can complete them quickly, you can earn a lot of money in a shortest amount of time. Another tip I want to share with you is to work in a team. A crowd work allows you to confirm and be with a team, you people, to build teams. So you can go and form teams with other workers, and this can help you complete tasks a lot faster. It's also you people greater way to be motivated. I was telling you that I'm a great motivator. But the moment you're working in teams, you stay motivated because you're working with other people towards a common goal. So you cannot lag down behind. The moment you want to lag behind, they will tell you, Christine, please, can you push on? How far? How can you do this? Yeah, you can do it like this. So always the good thing with this, you work in teams. In you people, in the last but not least, in conclusion, and even as we end this video, I would not want it to be very long. I want to recap for you these points that I discussed above, and I want you to really put them at your fingertips such that we can do a lot. We talked about the potential of crowd worker to earn 1,000 in 2024 and more. And we discussed the common challenges. These common challenges are there. You've been seeing them of making money, the being crowded and other things. We also discussed about the steps to break down how you can get started, and also we talked about the tips for you to maximize your earnings. Guys, I want you to go for it. I know you're going to ask, Christine, how do I access my money? You can access your money using a PayPal account. You can access your money using a gift card. You can access money using bank transfer. Are you ready to work on this platform that is not crowded? Are you ready to work on this platform that is not scam oriented? Are you ready to work on this platform that people are there? This is the right time. Most people are asking themselves, how? What I want you to do, I want you to head over to this platform. Sign up. After signing up, make use of your skills by reading and understanding more, because on this platform it will be hard for us to bring. If we bring everything, it means we're going to sell you this course, but I don't want to involve in money of selling you anything. That's why I bring for you the insights. Thank you very much, guys. See you in another video.